In this video, I'd like to share with you this wonderful scholarship opportunity by the Nigerian government, the Federal Ministry of Education. It is open to all Nigerians who are studying full-time in the Nigerian universities, federal or state universities, polytechnics, monotechnics, and colleges of education, and are already in their second year or above. This application is completely free and can be done from the comfort of your home. Hi, my name is Sylvia and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel and you like contents like this, please click the subscribe button to be part of the channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified immediately we upload contents. I'm going to walk you through the website of the Federal Ministry of Education step by step to show you how to apply for this scholarship. So you navigate to the education.gov, and I'm going to put the link in the description box so that you can click directly there to make this application. But first of all, when you are here, you can already see the 2022-23 federal government scholarship, and you just click here to make the application. And once you click on this button, it redirects you to this particular page where you see that this is the ongoing scholarship application, and this is for 2022-23 federal government scholarship. Application deadline is on the 20th of March. So please, by all means, when you see this video, please do well to apply to it as soon as possible to secure yourself a spot. So let's look at the eligibility criteria. It says this is for postgraduate study students with a minimum of second class upper division and that are fully registered, and also all other applicants, undergraduates, HND and NC holders who are fully registered in their second year and above in all universities, polytechnics, monotechnics, colleges of education, and also physically challenged can also apply for this scholarship with at least 4.0 CGPA on a 5-point scale, and as well all HND applicants with 3.5 CGPA and above on a scale of 4.0. So this is the criteria that you need to meet to be able to take advantage of this opportunity. And let's look at important information. And it says it shall not be held at the same time with another award, for part-time studies. So if you're a part-time student, you might not be eligible for this. And at the point of getting the scholarship, change of course or institution is not allowed. So you should also bear this in mind. And this will start from the beginning of the academic section in Nigeria. And the field of studies includes science and technology, medicine, paramedicals, education, agriculture, liberal arts, social slash management sciences, ICT, environmental sciences, law. And the method of application says you have to visit this website and click on the Federal Scholarship Board icon, which we already clicked and we are here. And you read the guidelines and complete the application form. So the guidelines is what we have read. Then you print the completed form. Double entries will be disqualified. And then when you print this form that we're going to see shortly how it will be filled, you would attach letter of admission of the institution where you are studying and your CGPA results. And please note that it's open from 6th of February until 20th of March. So I encourage you to apply to this as soon as possible and send to your family and friends whom you know that will be needing this. So please forward this. So forward this video to as many as possible so that this message could be spread. And in case you have need to contact them, this is the only official numbers you can contact, and this is the only official email address. And here, please note that this particular application does not attract any processing fee. So beware of us. So once you hit on apply now, it will bring us to this place where you have to create an account with your email address, password, your surname, first name, phone number, and it's already showing you that this is the scholarship of the federal government award. So this is what it is. Then, so once you click on register, it brings you up to this point where you see your dashboard, and here it says welcome Akintobi Sylvia, and this is the active year 2023, and the application. I have 33 days, 20 hours, and this to complete this application. So basically, this application is still open for 1 month. So you could save and come back to it later if you don't have all the required information at the point. But I encourage you to apply to it as soon as possible. So here, when I click here to complete, it brings me to this place, my biodata. And here I have to attach a passport, fill your NIN number. This is my surname and first name, gender. Basically, you just go through this form and fill all required fields. After you might have done so, you hit on save. So I've gone ahead and pre-filled it, and it says your data updated successfully. And here you can already see the next one, which is to fill your next of kin, your parents' name, and everything. And once you've done, you click on save, but it says please fill out this field. So basically, this is trying to tell you that all fields must be properly filled. And once you complete each one, you would be seeing your updates, like you'll be seeing your status. Sorry, now it says biodata is 100%, parents next of kin is 100%. So I still have just to complete my academic details, and then attach the document, which is your results and also a letter of admission from your university. After you might have completed everything, you could click on this place to see each of the data that you have filled and go through it, and go through the parents and next of kin, just like so, and view your profile, your full profile. So this is where you view everything in full that you have filled. So if all is correct, it's just a button where you could print this. So when you print this, then you can forward it to the address that is on their portal. So I think this is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you are getting value from this content and you would like to see more of this content. Like and share the video so that others could benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns below, and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I would say thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.